today's video is a deep clean purge at the closet. It is needed. There's so much shit that I need to get rid of, and honestly I'm just needing to go through everything in my room. There's so much stuff that just has been sitting in drawers for too long. I have other things I just need to go through, purses, hats, accessories. All of it just needs to be gone through. We're gonna have a yard sale this summer and I'm just trying to prepare for that. And obviously we all know the energy that gets held with things that we no longer need. So you guys know how much I love these videos. I just need to sit down. It takes me a while to do these, but once it's all said and done, I feel so much better. So let's get started. Just want to like show you guys some things I'm thinking about getting rid of. As the years have went on, like I've made so many videos of me decluttering, and I feel like as time goes on, the less and less stuff I have. And that goes with shoes. So some things I'm definitely going to get rid of. My mindset when it comes to like anything is if I have not used it in like a few years, and especially like more than a few years, I feel like it's time to get rid of it. Like the Scentsy, I had a hard time with that because I was like, well, when I get my own house and like if I decide to use a Scentsy, like I already have one and the owl was cute, but like I don't need it and I don't like using it. I haven't used wax melts in a long time because I don't like the smell of it. They give me headaches, so it's kind of stupid. And it's like, you'll just buy another one. That's also a mindset of mine, is like, if you're getting rid of something and you want it later in the future, you can just buy it again. Now that's not the case for everything, but for example, these American Eagle sandals, I have had these for years. I've got my use out of them. Literally, I've had these since high school. Yeah, I think it's time to get rid of them. I don't wear them anymore. These are my new ones from Marshalls. Love these. Follow me on TikTok. I did a haul of these. So I have a bunch of Vans, and my feet, as I've gotten older, just can't do the Vans as much. I have bunions. So that's great. And I haven't been wearing Vans as much, and I wore them a couple weeks ago, and man, oh man, did my feet hurt. I still really love Vans, and I don't want to get rid of them, and I know I will regret getting rid of them. So I do have Vans that I have not worn in literal years. I don't love this style of Van. It was like what I wore in high school, and I don't like laces. I like the slide-on Vans now, and honestly, the red ones I've only ever worn like 4th of July, so probably will get rid of those. I have a white pair in those as well, and I have an all black pair that I more than likely will get rid of because I don't wear them, and I have gotten my use out of them. They're literally since high school. I also have an old pair of sneakers that are literally beat up. These are from like 2017. They're bad. I like to keep shit like this if like we go hiking or something, but I have a pair that aren't as bad and I don't wear them anymore. So I'll just use these because these aren't my main sneaker anymore. And then I have a pair of these Sperry's that are really disgusting. I started using them as like fishing boot because it's a rain boot. They weren't meant for that. And they are ripped on the back here, so I probably would just throw these away. It's kind of sad, but I just don't think anyone would even want those. These were really big in like 2019. I have 2 pairs. It's these Nike sandals. Super cute, right? But let me tell you, they are disgusting. They are like, I don't know if this is from sweat. Because I didn't wear them at all last year, really. I don't know if these can be washed. The black ones are definitely a little beat up. I have the gold ones too. These ones aren't as bad, but they're crusty. They are crusty. So I might just throw those babies away. Or I might try to wash them, see if anything comes out from them. But Lord, those are nasty. Alright, so this has been a very long process of decluttering, and I just want to share with you, like, I just haven't had a whole, I haven't had a whole lot of time, so I am off today, and my goal was to just go through my clothes, because that's like the last really big piece, I feel like, with everything that I have. And I'm honestly getting overwhelmed. I'm watching videos right now, and this video is actually very helpful. It's from That Practical Mom, and she's talking about how to think about the things that you want first. So pull out the things you do want and have those core staple pieces. But I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try to, like, okay, I know some things that I do freaking want 100%, and I'm going to pull them out. And then that's gonna help me realize, okay, do I need everything else? So I think I'm gonna start doing that first. And then I really don't want to pull them out of my closet because I feel like this is gonna get really messy, but I feel like that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because it's starting to get a little overwhelming. I'm trying to get with the closet first. I got a lot, there's the video, but I got a lot to get through, so let's try it. Here's Pup, emotional support dog. Okay, so I've pulled some stuff out, and there's still a lot of clothes in my closet, and that means that there's a lot of maybes, y'all. There are a lot of maybes in this closet. Now, granted, a lot of this over here is just like t-shirts. There's a lot that, like, I just pulled everything out that, like, I'm 100% sure about, that I'm like, yes, I need this, but there's still a good bit of stuff that I'm not quite sure about. So guess what, we're gonna try it on. We are going to try it all on, because that will hold the true test. So I've officially gone through my whole entire closet. I have this huge pile here. Probably not even gonna be able to see it. And honestly, that's not even what's in these drawers. What's going to be really difficult for me is getting rid of t-shirts and like workout leggings. I have so many, and I just feel like workout leggings are always a good thing to keep and have. So I don't know if I'm gonna get to that tonight because it is 9:30. But right now, this is what the closet is looking like. Completely empty. All these hangers. And then I have a little bit of things I just haven't put out. These are just like items I've literally had forever. I've had this sweatshirt forever. This is something that It's kind of like one of my staple things that I don't really wear, but if I need a sweatshirt, I like this one. And then this one is a Steelers one, but it is dry fit and it's not as comfy, but I do really like that one. I'm gonna try to go through more of my shoes too. I found this old track bag of mine with my spikes in them, but I have to decide what to do about some of these shoes. I did get rid of some in earlier parts of this video, but there's probably more stuff that I'm gonna get rid of. Pretty organized so far. I went by sweaters, long sleeve, short sleeve crop top, tank tops, dresses. So honestly, it's not a whole lot if you think about, like, this is winter, you know, summer, spring. That's really all I have. I really don't have that much. And then a lot of this is winter too. This is, right here is work. These are just t-shirts. So I think I did a good job. And then one kind of like dressier dress, just in case.
Don't wait for don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way, and I know exactly what I'm looking for, and as we grow,
Right, so I still need to vacuum in here, but all of the shoes are cleaned. This whole area is gone through. The drawers still need a little bit of organization, but I'm currently in the process of cleaning stuff. But honestly, the drawers are pretty clean. I'm very proud of my t-shirt drawer, guys. Don't mind this, I still need to dust this, but yeah, this is pretty good for me. I've been, you know, going through all of this stuff over the years, and I got rid of all my muumuus, nightgowns, things like that, and everything's pretty organized. These are my leggings, but everything's looking really good. All right, hi everyone. So we are finally done going through my closet, my room, as much as I possibly can. I mean, there's always room for improvement, and there's still so much that I need to go through, but like, this has been such a good deep clean. I am so proud of myself. It literally looks so much better. I have a huge pile of clothes over here. I'm just really so happy to finally be done with this, because this has been going on for a while. I feel so much better. My room looks better, my closet looks better. But that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this type of video and you guys want to see more, let me know. I hope that you guys are having a great summer, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.